So I'm heading along the A5 towards Shrewsbury, and this is for the Bike4Life Ride Out and Festival 2026. And this is a huge ride out from Shrewsbury to Shifnal. So you meet at Mulbrace Park and Ride in Shrewsbury, and you can arrive from 8 AM. You don't want to be getting there any later than 10 AM. When you arrive, go to the registration tent, get your wristbands and your sort of pack, get some breakfast, get a coffee, and just enjoy the bikes and a bit of live music. So I actually arrived at about 9:50. You can see I'm pretty close to the back. There's probably like maybe about 50 bikes behind me. So yeah, you want to get there nice and early. At 10:30, the first bike's going to start leaving, and as you can imagine, it's just a massive funnel trying to get out of this car park. So the Bike4Life Festival is an annual celebration that brings together motorcycle enthusiasts from all over the UK to support the life-saving work of the Midlands Air Ambulance Charity. So all the proceeds from the festival support the Midlands Air Ambulance Charity, funding critical care missions and advanced medical equipment. And if you book early on, you'll get this ride at a cheaper price. I think it was £15, but the day before, tickets will be sort of closed off, and then you can only buy the tickets on the day, so on the Sunday, and then these will be £20. But that'll get you access to the actual festival in Shifnal. So if you've got someone on the back of the bike going to the festival, you're going to pay £10 for them. So the cool thing about this ride out is it's one of the biggest ones in the country, and they close off the whole motorway, so there's no cars with you on the roads. So this is pretty funny, yeah, a lot of kids on the sort of path here wanted a high five as we were leaving the estate. So we're going to pick up the M54 heading towards Telford. So if you want to take part in the event, you can't be on your L plates because, yeah, we do go down the A5, but then it does merge onto the M54, so it is motorway regulation, so you have to have a full bike license to take part in this. Yeah, it was pretty weird coming up to this first roundabout. You come up to a red light, and yeah, as you can see, they're all sort of blocked off by highway maintenance, so you've got right away. But yeah, it's just a bit weird going through a red light. Yeah, and at this stage it is pretty spread out because I was quite close to the back, and I got there obviously because I got to the car park quite late. So it does take a bit of time just to catch everyone up. But people are sort of generally cruising around about 60 to 70 miles an hour. So you'll see no cars on that driving actually on the A5 or the M54, but you'll get loads of people pulled over in their cars, like sort of honking and cheering you on. And all the bridges that people have access to, you know, it's going to be full of supporters. So you get a lovely view of the Wrekin on the right hand side going down the M54, and then you just pass under the bridge just next to the Arkle. So we're coming off at junction 3 and going to be going down the A41. And as you can see, like, it's starting to get quite busy now, starting to back up. You know, at this stage, just don't try to rush, just sit back, cruise and enjoy all the lovely bikes and the sort of countryside. So we're heading towards Weston Park in Shifnal, and when we get there, there's going to be a festival, there's going to be food, there's going to be clothing stalls, there's going to be entertainment and a bike show, music. And you can just go to the festival, you don't have to ride there, so you know your sort of family and friends can actually park up and meet you at the festival and pay to get in that way. When you register at Shrewsbury, you're going to be given a bike stand pad, and you're going to need this because when you're parking up in Shifnal, you're going to be on grass. Today it was quite dry, but it was the grass and the ground was still quite soft. So yeah, just make sure you use that, because if you don't, your bike will fall over, and you are parked close together. And if your bike falls over, you're going to damage your bike and someone else's.